So this was my program. It was very simple, very basic type of one. So what I did was it took a maze map, and basically the pirate goes through the maze and it gets the both of these keys, and it goes to the treasure chest because that's what pirates like. And I used Unity Read to make it. And on the left hand side is it's called Sprite, and it's like the objects that I created, 2D objects. And like I have a lot of walls because obviously because of the maze. That's how I made it. The pirate, the treasure chest, the keys, all the stuff like that. And then I go to my assets. These are all the folders. To the script one, that's where my code is. And I coded to my that's where my code is. So if I click on it, this is my code. It's in C#. So it's kind of similar to Java. I'm not really that's like familiar with C# than I'm with Java. But basically the code right here, this was with the arrow keys to move up, down, left, or right. And the code right here was if the pirate touches the keys will just disappear, and like so it can like go forward basically. So like when it touches the keys are gone. Then right here, this code from this, it's basically the thing was if I didn't have this, the pirate would be able to go through the walls, and in a maze, that's not how it works, right? You can't go through the walls. So I created this, and it's basically the same thing like this in the sense of that like if speed was positive up here, it would be negative down here. If it was negative up here, it would be positive down here. So it's like backwards, it's like flipped. And basically this right here, what it does is if the pirate was going to the wall, it would be like it'll give it a little push back. It'll be like you can like understand like okay, you're not supposed to go that way because like it's a wall and you can't like really go through it. That's what it does. Now let's run the program. Okay, so I'm using my arrow keys. As you can see, I can't like really, it's like bouncing me back. So yeah, now I'm gonna go get the key. I got the first key, now I have to go get the second one. I got the second one, now I just have to go out the maze and go to the treasure chest. And there I am, and that's the game. I was going to put a text like you won or like add more stuff obviously because this was very simple, but this was my program and I hope you liked it.